Welcome back to a new week here in September. Thank you guys for all of subscribing to my channel. I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I wouldn't be able to do this without you guys for commenting, liking, and subscribing and sharing my videos. Make sure that you go ahead and enter the cash giveaway that's happening at the end of October. You need to make sure you respond to the community tab and let me know because currently there are 3 more spots where you can get a chance to win $50. So if you have not had a chance to do that, please go ahead and follow the description and the instructions on my community tab for the end of October cash giveaway. But other than that, I wanted to talk about this new website here that a lot of people probably don't know about, and it's called uTest. So basically, you have different studies that they want you to participate in based on your profile. So it's very crucial that you're filling out your profile and all of that good stuff to be selected for that. Then they have different study dates where you can participate in different things. Like this one is needed for passive payment testing, and you can just look and see all of the descriptions for what it is here. They tell you exactly what needs to be happening. We are looking for participants with a user union pay card having a specific BIN for patho testing project that will run for 3 months. So it doesn't tell you how much it pays, but typically, these projects pay anywhere from $150 to $300. It just all depends on the particular project study. And you'll have like your user ID and all that good stuff here. And they have different tests, cycles that you might become part of. That it'll be here, and it'll tell you about everything you need to do here. Um, and they have this academy where you can go through and kind of get familiar with the actual U test. So, like if you're brand new, spanking new to the actual platform, you can take these different courses to kind of know how to navigate with this. But in terms of the projects, they have a whole variety of different projects that you can actually be able to sign up for, and if you qualify for it, you will be able to do this. Now, I actually haven't gotten paid from these people, so here's the payment proof. $121. So that was just for one little project that I did with them. So if you are thinking it's not a legitimate platform, it is. They do pay out. You just got to make sure you follow in all the details and whatever they want you to do it exactly how they want you to do it. Because if you don't do it exactly how they want you to do it, then you won't get paid. And then you'll say that it's a scam. It's not a scam. I have gotten paid. I'll show you payment proof. And these are just all the different, you can browse all different projects if you want to, because they have a variety of different projects, that you can participate in. So it just kind of all depends on your profile and how you set it up. It's really important that you pay attention to setting up your profile right so you can be accepted into different research study projects. And then they have different time to time they'll send you actual email invites to say, hey, this is a project we think you might be a good fit based on your profile, and this is the kind of ones that I've got selected into. So it's important that you go through, set up your profile, fill out all of the uTest Academy information, browse through different projects that you want to do. You're not going to get selected from all of them. That's okay. Just know that it can take some time. It's not they like to go through all of the different candidates to see if, you are good criteria for that. But I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I just want you to kind of know about this website, what it does, how to get paid between $150 to $300, and that's just one project. Sometimes the project spans according to a few months, a few days. They might want you to do a week. It just all depends on it. So if you got a full-time job, this is just like another supplementary income for you. But let me know if you have had any success with this platform. But other than that, you take care, money winning makers, and I hope to see you in the cash giveaway at the end of October. Bye bye.